What's up mga kuya? Welcome back to the Deki Game. So this is my unboxing and short review of the Mifa A10 Bluetooth speaker. So I was able to buy this from the Lazada bounce back sale for only 1.1. The MSRP right now at Lazada is 1.4. So I was originally planning on buying the JBL Go 2 since that is also water resistant. But considering the advantages that this has over the JBL Go 2, then I just went for this. I mean, Mifa is definitely a brand that I've recently heard of. And for the most part, people who have bought this have had really positive reviews on this, especially the battery life and the sound quality. And of course, if you guys want to buy this, then I'll leave the link in the description. So yeah, let's get on with the unboxing. So technically this is also water resistant to some degree. So this is IP45 certified and you won't be able to go swimming with this. So this is pretty much safe when using it in the rain or in the shower or beside the pool, but not swimming with it. I mean, I don't know why you would do that in the first place, but yeah. So you get the speaker itself inside protective foam and then the instruction manual. So yeah, this is the Mifa A10. So it looks like we have a wrist strap, so very nice accessories, and then a 3.5mm jack if you want to use it wired, and then a micro USB charging cable. So they're both yellow cables, and kinda disappointed that it's not USB-C, but oh well. And yeah, here we have the speaker itself. So yeah, it's pretty compact for the most part, not as compact as the JBL Go, but yeah. So the Mifa A10 is 6 inches long, about 2.6 inches tall, and 2.5 inches wide. So first up is design. So this only comes in black, and it looks really, I would say, simple and slick for the most part, which I really like. So it has this triangular design at the sides. I'm not sure how I would explain that or describe that. And at the bottom, we do have these suction tips, so it doesn't go slipping around on your table or something like a slippery surface. So of course at the front we have the Mifa branding. At the top we have the volume up and down, play pause, Bluetooth pairing button, power button, and then microphone. So nothing at the left side, and at the right side we have the flap for the charging port, 3.5mm jack, a micro SD card if you don't want to use Bluetooth when playing music, or if you want to use this as a standalone speaker. And really the main advantage that this has over the JBL Go 2 is that this does have a micro SD card slot. This does have a fairly large battery for a really portable Bluetooth speaker at 2200 milliamps, which Mifa claims you can get up to 16 hours of continuous use out of this at 70% volume, a maximum output of 10 watts, and you can actually use 2 of these if you want to buy 2 for true wireless stereo audio, Bluetooth 4.2, and then again IP45 certified, so splash resistant but not water resistant. So you can't swim with this, you can't submerge this underwater, so take note of that. And yeah, in terms of design is really solid. Nothing seems to be poorly built, and materials used for this are really good. So right out of the box, really impressive stuff. And yeah, let's test out sound quality. So let's test if this does have power. Okay, so you have to hold the power button to turn it on, and I believe we are in pairing mode, so we do have an LED indicator here right beside the microphone. So yeah, there we have it, the Mifa A10, pairing it. Yeah. So I actually have really unreasonable expectations for this, so I'm expecting sound quality to be really good, well-balanced sound and loudness that's enough to fill a medium-sized room. So apparently if you hold down the volume up or volume down, you can skip or go to the previous song. There's a beep sound whenever you're at max volume.
Speaker test.
this is really good. So I've been listening to the Mifa A10s for quite a bit. And for me, this is definitely worth it for the asking price of 1,400 pesos. Sound is really well balanced, the bass isn't overpowering, and loudness is definitely an A+ considering the size. And again, up to 16 hours of continuous use at 70% volume. So yeah, really good stuff from Mifa. And of course, if you guys want to buy this, then I'll leave the link in the description. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. And I think I didn't forget anything. So yeah, leave a like if you did, dislike if you feel like you have to. Consider subscribing and turn on notifications to be updated on my latest videos. As always mga kuya, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link pag bumibili kayo sa Lazada. Catch me on my Shopee Lives at Jerodies every Monday to Thursdays and Saturdays at 7 PM, where I talk about technology and gaming related stuff also. Donate through PayPal also to support the channel. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter for other updates and announcements. And of course, as much as possible, stay indoors, stay safe, stay healthy, get some sunlight and get some exercise mga kuya. Drink your vitamins, especially vitamin C. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.